Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3 Long Range Dual motor. This one's black. They're painted alloy wheels. Go ahead and give you a shot of those brakes. They do have the aerodynamic hubcaps sitting there in the back. This does have that signature panoramic roof. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. This is a Tesla vegan leather. Does have two USB power supplies there in the back. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Okay. Here are your infotainment controls right there. Coming down here, you do have a wrap in the center console. Here's where you would charge your phone. And here's some additional stowage back here. And then you also have your cup holders and additional stowage right here. And there's your key card. Okay. So we'll come up here to some of the more important screens. Okay, just working to get a little bit of this glare off there so you can see a little bit better. There we go. Okay. So, here's your stereo, navigation, and you can also do karaoke and some of those kinds of fun things through here. Come over here to your auto. This is going to have your quick controls, lights, locks, display, driving settings. Here your autopilot. It does have the auto steer beta, navigate on autopilot, which is the beta version, and summon on autopilot. Okay, and come down here, and this is also going to be where you're going to find your forward collision warning, emergency lane departure avoidance, blind spot collision warning, which I use that one all the time, obstacle aware, acceleration. Here are your navigation settings, safety and security, service, and your software. This is a very important screen because it shows that it is a long range dual motor. Has 41,000 miles in this vehicle. There's your VIN. Has full self-driving capability and premium connectivity. We come here and this will show you you have a premium audio system and the 2.5 computer for the autopilot. And you have HomeLink 5 garage door opener installed. So we come down here, you can take your stereo away, look at your backup camera and your other left and front cameras as well. We come over here, you can see your energy usage map, your charging, and there's your internet, entertainment, which will have everything from theater to arcade, excuse me. And there's your toy box. All right, and then we come down here, and here you can control your heated seats for all 5 of them. And then come back over here, and we can control, there we go. We can control your airflow and such. All right, that about wraps it up for this Model 3. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.